I received this sliding door smart lock as a gift, and in this video, I'm showing the installation process and how I set it up using fingerprint access, card access, and the app. This is a smart mortise lock designed specifically for sliding glass and patio doors. It uses a double hook style, which is different from standard door locks, and it comes with the handles, lock body, and all the hardware needed for installation. In my case, I'm not showing removal of an old lock because my door didn't already have the exact mortise style needed for this lock. My door did require some cutting and modification to get everything to fit properly, which is something to be aware of before starting up. The cutting wasn't overly complicated, but it is important to measure carefully and take your time so everything lines up correctly. Once the opening was adjusted, the lock body fit into place cleanly and securely. The lock itself feels solid and well made. The double hook mechanism engages smoothly, and once installed, the handle feels sturdy and secure when opening and closing the door. After the physical installation was finished, I moved to setting up the smart features. This lock gives you multiple access options, including fingerprint lock, IC card access, passcode entry, physical keys, and app control. I started with the fingerprint setup. That process is straightforward. You follow the prompts and scan the same finger a few times so the lock can register it properly. Once it's saved, the fingerprint unlock responds quickly. Next, I set up the IC card. Pairing the card is simple. You just follow the instructions and hold the card near the reader. This is a nice option for quick access without needing a phone or remembering a code. I also connected the lock to the app. Pairing it with the app was easy, and once connected, everything is managed all in one place. From the app, you can add or remove fingerprints, cards, and passcodes and adjust settings as needed. The app interface is clean and easy to understand, even if you're not very tech savvy. I like having all the access options centralized instead of needing to program everything directly on the lock. Once everything was set up, you can see how smoothly the lock operates. The handle feels solid, the locking mechanism engages properly, and switching between different unlock methods works seamlessly. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. While my door did require some cutting to make it fit, the installation was manageable with careful measuring, and the setup process for fingerprint, card, and app access was straightforward. If you're looking to upgrade a sliding glass door or patio door with a smart lock that offers multiple access options, this one has been a great experience once installed and set up.